Hello student, in this video we are going to learn supernode analysis. So what is a supernode? Nodes that are connected to each other by a voltage source but not to the reference node by a path of the voltage source form a supernode. That means if voltage is connected between two nodes, that two nodes is called as a supernode. So supernode require one voltage equation at supernode and second KCL equation at supernode. So we will study supernode analysis by one example. So example is determine the current in the 5 ohm resistor for the network. So network is shown below. One current source, resistance, voltage source, resistance, 2 ohms, 5 ohms, 20 volt, 1 ohms, 10 volt, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, and this current is 10 ampere source. Now first you have to find how many nodes are present in this circuit. So this is first node, name it V1. This is the second node, name it V2, and this is the third node, name it V3, and this node is called as a reference node. Now if you see, this 20 voltage source is connected between this V2 and V3. So this V2 and V3 is called as a supernode because this 20 voltage source is connected between the two nodes. So by the definition, if voltage source is connected between the two nodes, that node is called as a supernode. Solution: V2 and V3 form a supernode. Now assume all the current are flowing away from the nodes. Now first apply KCL at node 1. Now what is the meaning? Current flowing away from the nodes is branch current. We have assumed in this branch is away from the node. In this branch is flowing current like this. In this branch flowing current like this. From V2 current is flowing in this direction. From V3 current is flowing like this away from the nodes. Now apply KCL at node 1. So what is the KCL at node 1? V1 by 3 plus V1 minus V2 by 2 minus this 10 ampere is flowing opposite to a assumed current. So it will be a minus 10 equal to 0. Now if you solve it, it will be V1 by 3 plus V1 minus V2 by 2 equal to 10. Now again simplify it, it will be a 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, take V1 as a common, minus 1 upon 2 V2 equal to 10, and then 0.83 V1 minus 0.5 V2 equal to 10. This is our first equation, equation number 1. Now we know that node V2 and V3 form supernode. So write the voltage equation, for the supernode. So in this, if you see, this positive terminal is connected to V2 and negative terminal is connected to V3. So voltage equation at supernode will be V2 minus V3 equal to 20. So it is our second equation. Now apply KCL at supernode. Now KCL at this branch is V2 minus V1 divided by 2. KCL of this branch is plus V2 by 1. KCL at this branch is plus V3 minus 10 divided by 5, and KCL at this branch is plus V3 upon 2 equal to 0. Now if you simplify it, you will get minus 1 upon 2 V1 plus into bracket 1 upon 2 plus 1 V2 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 V3 equal to 2. Now what is the simplification of this equation? It is minus 0.5 V1 plus 1.5 V2 plus 0.7 V3 equal to 2. This is our third equation. Now solve simultaneous equation 1, 2 and 3. So if you solve this simultaneous equation in the calculator, you will get V1 equal to 19.04 volt, V2 equal to 11.6 volt, V3 equal to minus 8.4 volt. So we have to find current flowing through this 5 ohm resistor. So what is the current flowing through this resistor? So it will be a I 5 ohm equal to V3 minus 10 divided by 5. So what is V3? It is minus 8.4 minus 10 divided by 5. So current through 5 ohm resistor is minus 3.68 ampere. So it is a required answer. Thank you.